Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the physical basics so you eliminate simple failures fast. Unplug and reseat the dongle into a different port because some ports share power or are disabled. Once done, inspect the LED for activity and connect it to a USB 2. 0 port if 3. 0 behaves oddly. Make sure your system isn't set to sleep USB power. If possible, have the latest driver package on a flash drive so you can install offline immediately. Next, you run a targeted software diagnosis to find driver conflicts and service issues. Go to Device Manager and identify any unknown devices or warning icons. Right-click and choose Uninstall if the driver is corrupt. Then reboot before installing the vendor driver in administrator mode so system files update cleanly. Make sure the Bluetooth service is running and restart it if it's stopped. Use the manufacturer utility to update firmware. This often resolves protocol mismatches that block pairing. Finally, validate the fix by pairing with a basic device like a headset or phone. Remove previous pairings and clear the Bluetooth cache to avoid stale records. If pairing still fails, plug the dongle into a different computer to determine if the problem is the dongle or the original host. Once you confirm hardware failure, attempt firmware recovery if available. Otherwise, replace the dongle or contact vendor support under warranty. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent connections
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.